let's talk evaluation procedures and grading criteria. The grade for this course will be a compilation of exams, quizzes, assignments, and participation. Exams equal 75% of your grade. That means 75 points out of the 100 are exclusively your exam grades. That's the biggest chunk of your grade. There are 5 major exams that will be assigned online. 4 lecture examinations, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. So these are all based on specific chapters. And then after that, the 5th exam is a comprehensive final. The final is not more weighted than anything else. All exams will be available online through McGraw-Hill or through Blackboard. Up to 5 points of extra credit on each major exam may be earned throughout the semester via the McGraw-Hill Connect website using SmartBook. Extra credit is awarded class-wide, and it's up to the student to do what is required to earn that extra credit. There is no individual extra credit. If you are doing poorly in the class and you contact me and say, is there anything else I can do? I'm going to say no. The SmartBook assignments are 5 points for each of the 4 unit exams. 5 times 4 is 20 points. I am giving you the opportunity to do 2 letter grades of bonus points. If you don't do them, that's on you. I'm not going to give individual extra credit because that's not fair. If Joey asks me to, give him extra credit and I do, but Sandy says nothing to me, how is that fair? Here, everybody gets the same opportunity. So don't ask for individual extra credit. Don't ask me if you can do extra because you can't. What you have is what you need to do. Now, the SmartBook. SmartBook is an artificially intelligent software that tests you on the material in the book. It asks you questions. It helps to kind of guide you in where you need help versus what you already know. If you already know something, it stops asking you those questions because you already know it, and it kind of focuses in on the things that you need to focus on. And if you keep getting those things wrong, it's going to tell you stop. You need to go to this chapter, this section, and look at that again because you're not understanding it. It helps to kind of narrow your focus to where you need to narrow it if you take advantage of it. Now, the quizzes are administered online via the McGraw-Hill website. They're timed and there's a time limit to get them completed, and you're responsible for that. You may have 30 questions and have 60 minutes to answer those 30 questions, but you get one shot. If you have spotty internet, if you have any issue like that, it is your responsibility to make sure you're at a place where you will be able to get these assignments done in that time frame. I open all of those assignments when we start the unit, and when I open the exam for that unit, they are all due that day by 11:59 p.m. and you have weeks to get them done. It is your responsibility to get them done. Remember, you need to write it on a calendar. You need to set reminders in your phone, whatever you have to do, because while I announce reminders in Blackboard, if you don't look at Blackboard, you're not going to get the reminders. If you are having issues with Connect on your computer, this is the 1-800 number to call. I can reset quizzes. I can possibly give you extensions on some things, depending on the situation. But as far as my computer doesn't like it, it won't work with it, that's a them question, because they know how to fix the software on your computer. I have no idea. So the hyperlink to your class, specifically the McGraw-Hill section of your class, is going to be on Blackboard, which if you look at the Blackboard video, I will show you. So again, going through those percentages, 75% is those 5 exams I talked about. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, and your final. And then 25%, 25 points of that grade is all of your quizzes and your extra assignments. Your total grade is 100%. And here's the breakdown from A, 90 to 100 points, B, 80 to 89, C, 70 to 79, D, 60 to 69, and then 59 down is obviously going to be an F.